Supermarket, supermarket, supermarket. I usually buy fresh vegetables at the supermarket. Mini market, mini market, mini market. There is a mini market near my house that sells snacks and drinks. Open, open, open. The supermarket is open from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. every day. Closed, closed, closed. The shop is closed on Sundays. Shop window, shop window, shop window. The shop window is decorated with beautiful Christmas lights. Trolley, trolley, trolley. She filled her trolley with fruits and dairy products. Plastic bag, plastic bag, plastic bag. Many supermarkets are replacing plastic bags with eco-friendly ones. Stockroom, stockroom, stockroom. The stockroom is full of new products waiting to be displayed. Shelf, shelf, shelf. I found my favorite cereal on the top shelf. Fitting room, fitting room, fitting room. She took 3 dresses into the fitting room to try them on. Shopping bag, shopping bag, shopping bag. He carried a large shopping bag filled with groceries. Shopping list, shopping list, shopping list. I always write a shopping list before going to the supermarket. Bread and cakes shelves, bread and cakes shelves, bread and cakes shelves. The bread and cakes shelves are near the entrance of the supermarket. Small plastic bags for fruit and vegetables. Small plastic bags for fruit and vegetables. Small plastic bags for fruit and vegetables. Please use small plastic bags for fruit and vegetables in the produce section. Deli counter, deli counter, deli counter. She bought some ham and cheese from the deli counter. Grocery items in the trolley. Grocery items in the trolley. Grocery items in the trolley. His grocery items in the trolley included milk, bread, and fresh vegetables. Conveyor belt. Conveyor belt. Conveyor belt. She placed her groceries on the conveyor belt at the checkout. Receipt. 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 Don't forget to take your receipt after paying. Shopping cart. Shopping cart. Shopping cart. He pushed a full shopping cart through the aisles. Cashier. 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 The cashier scanned all the items quickly. Check. 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 She paid for her groceries with a check. Snacks. 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 He bought some chips and chocolate as snacks. Produce. 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 She always buys fresh produce from the supermarket. Checkout counter. Checkout counter. Checkout counter. There was a long line at the checkout counter. Customers, customers, customers. The supermarket is full of customers on weekends. Shopping basket, shopping basket, shopping basket. She picked up a shopping basket to carry a few items. Bag, bag, bag. He packed his groceries into a reusable bag. Bin, bin, bin. The supermarket has large bins for fresh fruits and vegetables. Wallet, wallet, wallet. He took out his wallet to pay for the groceries. Close-out sale, close-out sale, close-out sale. The store is having a close-out sale before shutting down. Purse, purse, purse. She searched her purse for some cash. Bill, bill, bill. The total amount is written on the bill. Refund, refund, refund. The store gave me a refund because the product was defective.